Hey guys, so on my way to the homestead right now. Just got off work, had to make a couple of stops at the hardware store. So today I'm hoping to get over there and do a little bit of demo. The back corner bedroom is in pretty bad shape from all the termite damage, so I'm hoping to get up there and start getting that tore out. We're in kind of a weird spot right now in that we're purchasing this property on land contract, and so it's a short-term land contract just until we sell our house. The thought being, once we sell our house, the equity we've built into that house will pay for this one. And hopefully, if we're lucky, there'll be some left to go into repairs one. So what that means is that until we sell our house, we're pretty much flat broke. We're carrying 2 mortgages. So we don't have a lot of money to put into this place right now. What that means is that, I don't even have money for to get a hopper over there to just throw everything away. I do, but I need to stretch that money as far as I can. And so that's why we're going over there to do the demoing that we're doing today. So a lot of what I'm going to be doing today is ripping out paneling and old floorboards, all of which is going to be wood. So what that means is that I can take and just set up a burn pile somewhere on the property to get rid of that stuff. And once all that's out of there, then I can get the hopper over there and use that to throw away all the drywall, the garbage, just everything else. So, I can kind of better deer over there. I got to set up a camera so you guys can see this tribe, because it's absolutely amazing. The amount of wildlife I see, and then just the amount of livestock and everything. I'll set that up so you guys can see that. It really is cool. Anyhow, though, so that's going to let me kind of better utilize that hopper and kind of give me a head start, so that once I get all this ripped out, then I can rip out the drywall. And then from there, fill a hopper and start the repairs. So we're just about to the house. I'm gonna get in there, get set up, get the camera set up in there, and we'll pick it up there. Stay tuned.
It's hard when your big head is in the way.
Okay, so we're here at the property. I'm in the back room upstairs. This is one of the, what looks to be one of the most chewed up rooms. The floorboards, the old wooden floorboards, in some spots just eaten right through, and I'll show you some of that here in a minute. So I'm just going to start. I kind of already started the other day. I pulled off a piece of paneling, just kind of get an idea of what was behind there. Tore up some of this carpet. I'm just going to start tearing stuff up and see if I can't get this taken down at least close to the studs, and see what we're working with, see what these floorboards look like when we're done. Definitely kind of a retro look there, huh? kind of like the carpet. I might save this piece. What? Somewhere down the line would be nice. Oh, color. Beat up piece of carpet. Not really sure what this is. It's like this weird little doorstop. Like there's the door. There's this. I'm not entirely sure what I'm looking at. But there it is. I don't know. If anyone has any guesses, fire away. I'm curious. It's weird. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can get this tile floor up. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but that's all the termite damage just on the bottom of the tile. Or on the whatever it is. Alright guys, well, we got the tile floor up. And there's definitely some further intrigue in this floor. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we've got this, which I bet you at one point was like a heating grate went there. If you ever been in those old houses, you know what I mean? The hot air flows up. This is the rest of the floor under that tile. As you can see, it's just gone. And then I got this. I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at yet, or what that is. So we're gonna do a little digging. No, this is more. Oh, that's an even older tile. Look at that. Wow. That's cool. I like that. Alright, what's this? Okay. More tile. So what is this? I bet you I know what they're doing. I bet you they had holes and they patched them. Look, that. Or their floorboards didn't meet, so they improvised. What are the pegs? I have no idea. Maybe you guys know. Tell me if you do. I don't have a guess. Was there like a closet there? But why would it be like a dowel? Weird. Alright. Well, I'm sure Marcy's going to want to take a look at this before I get to tearing it up too much more. Alright, so I brought Marcy back, and here is the floor without the stuff on it.
Can I turn on the light?
Yeah, go for it. So, different type of paneling under the paneling. Didn't expect that.
On the wall or on the floor?
Floor. And then we've got that disc by your feet, which I think was probably for like one of them old heater grates. And then there's that where like there's two different floors, and one of them has weird little pegs cut out of it on each board, or every other board.
That's freaky.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Like, what did they have mounted there?
Maybe their window seat came out to here at one point.
Yeah, but you wouldn't... I would think that that would just be a 2x4 like it is there. I wouldn't expect them to dowel it in there. But I don't know.
Maybe those were jail bars.
Mm-hmm. Maybe. Maybe it's the chokey. We just didn't realize it.
At least they get a window.
Yep. Alright, well, on to the next step. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it for today. We've got the tile and the carpet peeled up off the floor. We found some weird parts on the floor. But there's one more thing I want to do before I leave today, and let's find out what is behind this thing. And when you know it, I got just the tool. Oh, let's see. What do we have hiding back here, I wonder? I see. Water damage. That's what that is. Water damage. Water damage tiles. Looks old though. Doesn't look new. Obviously they put that there for a reason. So there's nothing back there either. Alright. Duct tape. Okay, so here's a close-up of what was behind that board. Yeah, look at that. Like everything else, just gone. Gone, gone, gone. Look, even that little board for those is ate up. Can't wait to see what the... you can't see up there, but... Can't wait to see what the rafters look like. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. We got a little bit started. I just got to clear up the tiles, throw that away. And then I'm going to find a spot to make a burn pit. And then tomorrow I think we're going to start tearing up this floor. The actual wood. So, if you know what any of this stuff is, let me know in the comments. If you know what that little, what I assume is like a door stop, wherever that went. Let me know if you know why they would have this floor with these dowels cut into the planks. Let me know. I have no idea. I'm just going to rip it all up. See what's under it eventually. So, and then guys, if you like it, leave a like.